Hello guys, do you want to know how you can get the EVOLOTUS pet in Prodigy? It evolves into this, which I think is super cool. Okay, let's get right into the video. First thing you need to do is go into Firefly Forest and go where this arrow on my screen is pointing. After you're up there, you want to go exactly where I go. Over here. And you come across these. You want to battle this one and this one in order to get up to here. So, I will do that off camera. See you guys later. Okay. I am done with battling the monsters. So now follow me up to here. So what you want to do is battle either this one or this one, but I'll battle this one because it's easier for me. I am done with my battles. Let's head up. The next thing you have to do is go over here, where this glowing rock is. Once you get there, you have to go onto this path. And don't worry, you don't have to battle this. And there are no truckles up here, so I'll keep refreshing the page until I find a truckle. The reason why I want to find a truckle is because EVOLOTUses are paired with truckles. So if I find one, I might find an EVOLOTUS. Let me pause the video until I can find an EVOLOTUS. And I just got lazy and stopped trying. But you don't stop trying, because sooner or later you are going to get an EVOLOTUS.